Terrance Natural. This upholstery fabric has a natural textured weave with a soft neutral tone, primarily beige and light taupe fibers interwoven to create a subtle heathered effect. The weave is medium to heavy weight, giving it a sturdy yet refined look suitable for furniture upholstery. The texture is slightly coarse and linen-like, providing visual depth and a tactile, organic appeal. The close-up reveals a tight basket or plain weave pattern that enhances durability and resists stretching. Description summary. Fabric type: woven upholstery fabric. Color: natural beige/taupe mix, neutral tone. Texture: lightly nubby linen-like surface with visible weave. Weight: medium to heavy upholstery grade. Appearance: subtle heathered variation for depth and warmth. Uses: ideal for sofas, chairs, ottomans, and accent cushions. Overall, it has a timeless, versatile look. A perfect neutral upholstery fabric for modern, rustic, or transitional interiors. Width: 58-inch. Content: 100% polyester. Price per yard: limited quantity of this discount closeout clearance fabric. At schindlersfabrics.com. Schindler's Upholstery and Fabric Shop, Inc. in Cleveland, Ohio.